Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 22 of Building the Tumbler. This is the last in this month's delivery. So let's get straight to it. We are going to be finishing off the driver's seat and then fitting it to the floor that we've been building up on. Unidentified flying object. We're still looking at the bat by the looks of things in there. I like it. I do like it. It's still very reminiscent of the Tumbler, but obviously with a big rotor. Na Batman. The history of Batman. Yeah. Batman and Robin, classic 1960s TV series. Yeah, there we go. Very good stuff. Adam West, obviously. Yeah. Classic TV series. That's what we get. Just the logo. Cool. It never used to say classic TV series. Obviously, it was just Batman. Have it. Right, so yes, we're doing the same as we did last time, but on the back of the seat. Putting the sticky bit. No, we're not putting that on there till after. All right, we're putting the sticky bits on there, then fixing that to there, and then putting the seat on it, and then fitting the seat to the floor. Cool, fairly easy stuff. And then next time, obviously, we're starting off with the passenger seat. It's going to be much the same again over the course of probably 3 episodes, I would think. That's what we did on this one, wasn't it? So, yeah, stick around for that. I shall see you in a moment when we get the parts put together. Okay, here we have from last time the seat. This is the back that we're going to be building this time. So, yeah, that's going to go on there like that. That's going to go on there like that. And then we'll fix the whole thing together. Now, interestingly, the back piece is not screwed in place. So, yeah, it's very strange. What we are doing, though, we are fitting the 2 sticky pads. Same as last time. We've got a little one to go there. Bigger one to go there. Round, isn't it? Let me just double check before I stick that bit down there. Here's the smaller one. No, the smaller one goes the other way. I've done that one the wrong way around for some reason. These are opposite, so I didn't actually push that down very far. So I can peel that up. I can stick that down there. The little one goes down the bottom on this one. Bigger one goes at the top. There are areas marked out for it, although they're not overly clear. So they go on there like that. And we don't take the backing off of that yet because we're going to fit this first into there. So this goes in place with, again, 4 and 2 more. All right, okay, there's 4 little pegs and 2 big pegs that look like they should be screwed in place, but it didn't. Did it? It does say. No, it just says the 2 components go together for guidance. It doesn't say about screwing them in place, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to. Because that is not overly secure. So, yeah, just looking ahead, it just says use tweezers to peel that off. Let's see, how many screws have they given us? We need 4 to attach it to the floor. We've got loads. So yes, they do intend for us to screw this in place. So I'll put a screw through there into the back. Now, obviously, they don't want this screwing in from the back because that's going to be possibly a little bit visible, whereas this isn't because it's going to have that rubber cover over the top of it. Strange that the instructions don't actually mention screws, unless I'm just being very, very dense and not seeing it. But here we go. That's that. So I shall put one of those back in there. I've got 4 more. We don't need that at the moment either. So this then goes on there after we peel off the protective backing. Rid of that. Right, then this needs to go on there. So this has got to go sort of, obviously, moulded around the shapes in at the bottom. There we go. That fits around there. Matches up at the top and the sides. And then I can push that in place. I like it. I do like it. It does sort of scream a little bit Batman, but not overly Batman. It's all black, so it's pretty much going to be Batman, isn't it? They're not really armrests, they're more just grab rails for... You have seatbelts? Probably not. He doesn't need a seatbelt, he's Batman. So that is that. I have 4 screws here, which I am going to be using to attach this in place. It goes onto these 4 holes there with the 4 little dimples down the bottom there. So that is basically like that. Here we go. Let me get a couple of these in to hold it in place. Got the 4, obviously, all the way around there. The one there, I'll get another one in up the top there and then finish it off behind the scenes. And there we have it. Now this is still quite loose. It doesn't worry me in that, you know, I'm not going to be turning it around and things, but obviously it needs a bit of movement for converting. So it's got the whole steery thing, so it'll be like that. Then when he comes in, it will obviously come in and bend forward, upwards or whatever, for him to use it. I like it. It's coming along quite nicely. So this is obviously Batman seat, and passenger seat will be over this side next time. We'll build that up over the next issue when the next delivery turns up. So we'll probably do some of that and then something else new. I don't know what else is going to happen, but there we go. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. The interior obviously needs doing before you get all the outside panels and things together. So, yeah, looking good. Right, I'll get these screws in. I won't bother showing you it because it's going to look exactly the same. So there we have another month done. It's coming along. I like it. Thank you for watching. I shall see you for other things as the month goes by, but come back in a few weeks for a few more issues. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now. Yeah.